where you're from and if you have any comments about the trip. If you're interested in renting binoculars, we have some down there. You can get those in the galley as well. They're $5 all day long, and we just need a piece of ID or a credit card as a safety deposit so that you remember to drop them off at the end of the day. On the lower deck towards the front of the boat, there's some books. If you would like to do a little extra reading, feel free to take those back to your seats. We do sell a few souvenirs as well down in the galley. There's a little gift shop in a little glass case. We have some puppets, postcards, hats, and things like that. So feel free to take a look at any of those items. One other thing, you're welcome up here in the bridge. Feel free to ask the captain questions when he's not on the PA system. Just
I should stand.
Some maintenance there to handle all of the training, also the radio control in that area. We do have one on the docking tug next to the 500-2. This is 500-2 is there at the time to quake, and immediately at the time to quake, into the base, flooded into the water. The water rushed out, and then came rushing back in again, and totaled out everything that was on the water. Later on, the tidal wave did come through and flood the rest of the town. That quake was a 9.2 left. You can see a couple more oil response barges there, and a number of our tugs anchored alongside them. This is a holiday, so they won't do other working with the tankers. There won't be a lot of other activity today. We do have more oil response equipment here than any other port in the U.S. We're required by statute to be able to recover 300,000 barrels of crude in a 72-hour period. As we start to make the swing, you can see some tanks and buildings over there, towers, Petrol Star Refinery. They do jet fuel. Diesel fuel, they actually take crude oil directly off the transatlantic pipeline and turn it into jet fuel for the St. Louis Airport. Diesel fuel for all the South Central coastal communities. And then under Sugarloaf Mountain, you can see a number of buildings at the Valdez Hatchery or Fisheries. I noticed the other day, pink salmon returning. This is one of the most successful hatcheries on the West Coast, and they should have a big return of pink salmon. And we hope they will. And they also do chum, silver salmon for sportsmen at the Coho, and they started an early king salmon program. That will be very good in a couple of years. Now the pipeline here from Prudhoe Bay here to the terminal, almost 800 miles in length, crosses 3 different mountain ranges, some 800 different streams, rivers, tributaries going either under or over. The construction at Prudhoe Bay, the pipeline, the terminal itself, they've all been considered one of the greatest engineering feats during this century. The terminal here has been carved on solid rock. They have drilled through the rock below all the major structures and inserted large steel rods for those that would help understand the major earthquake should occur. We do have 4 berths at the terminal, but we only have 2 that are in use. We do have a full house in right now. The 2 of the polar tankers, these are kind of filled. We have berth 1, 3, 4, and 5. No berth 2, though there was one originally designed in the system. Berth 2 was designed to take super tankers, and water was deep enough where they're going to put it. In fact, the water here is very deep. Super tankers, the big super tankers, have just about outphased everywhere because they've been difficult getting into some of the ports. And it's been costly having to transfer crude oil from one tanker to another. Kind of going from left to right here, you can see a fairly tall building, 3-4 story building here. That's fairly new. That's an office building. And then just down from its green structure, that's kind of the warehousing, parts department, garaging, that type of thing. And then behind it, the other green building, usually used by contractors when they're here working at the terminal. Other warehousing up behind trees. Tankers that come in here now can hold anywhere from about 260,000 barrels of crude to right about 1,500,000. We have it. Pumped into those 3 lower tanks, which give you a certain period of time to settle. Then it pumped into another system there. Pumped into a large pond. You see a couple inside the security zone there.
Grab that.
We just had a young one that I don't think going to stay for since it was done on the other side.
I think I got it. There he is. I can't even see what this is. There's some seals. A whole bunch of them. A whole bunch of them.
Come to the surface and
I see them. I got on the film, Joe.
kind of using their tummies as a dinner table, they prepare their food. They're unusual in other ways. They have no blubber or oil in their skin to repel water, but they have more hair per square inch than any other animal. But they must keep it perfectly clean, and they must keep a layer of hair.
good. Don't get a fall off. Let me get your picture. Hold on.
Yeah, most of the country found average pretty much in what tide and extreme water temperature 6 degrees.
Hi, Joanna. Say hi. What do you want, Joanna?
And the air temperature is pretty cool.
What?
About just over 50 degrees. They probably supply most of the neighbors home. Mr. Blackfield here. Wolverine. Bullwing.
are really excited. There's a couple kids on our tour. Just seen them right. So, there. Uh-oh. There they are, right there. There they go. You can see them there.
Hey, they're trying to do a show! They're trying to do a show!
Right below me. There they go. Oh, there's two of them. Wow. Wow. Oh, I wish Joe was here.
It looks like they're racing us.
Wow. I'll show Joe's. Wow.
They're so cute.
Are they porpoises or what? What are those? Porpoises. Look like mini whales. Oh, wow.
Where are they?
Let me go get Joe. Well, Joe, did you get to see any porpoises while I was up in front?
I seen 6 of them.
Where?
Right out in front of the boat.
State lottery.
The side, you mean
Yep,
here?
the
Right
side.
here?
Yeah. Right out in front of the bow there.
Where?
In front, yeah.
You mean on the side?
Yeah.
Well, I seen them on the front, and they were riding with the boat, right
Yeah.
in front of the boat. And, but you seen them on the 6 of them on the side right there, right?
I
The
seen
side.
6 of them, yeah.
It was too cool. I thought you might not have got to see them because I was up there on deck.
Yeah, I seen them. I got a better spot.
Now what do you want to go see?
Oh, we'll see some.
Okay, what have we seen so far?
We seen two boats, eagles.
I mean, on this boat, on this ship boat.
Oh, we seen otters and eagles.
We seen seals, not otters.
Or seals.
Seals and
Wherever they were.
eagle and porpoises. Now what do you want to see?
I don't want to see nothing right now.
You hungry?
No,
We're
I'm
gonna
looking for a bear.
You're looking for a bear? Okay. They said there might be some along the shore there. So I hope we see a whale is what I want to see. when
Okay,
we get out
bye-bye now. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, Joanne, what are you doing, Joanne?
Okay, we're gonna have our clam chowder lunch now, and Joe's having minestrone because he hates clam chowder. And we're inside the cat boat now, and I'm gonna have clam chowder, and I guess we're having bagels too with the cream cheese. That's for our lunch. And then we haven't got to Columbia Glacier yet, but we're headed that way. So we've seen quite a bit so far. Okay.
Bye.
Anniversary.
100 years. They
Named after the Chugach natives who were the first inhabitants in Prince William Sound, the first known inhabitants. They used to be spread throughout the Sound in smaller villages, groups, 20, 25. They'd even squabble once in a while with each other. But they finally came together in 3 main areas. One was on the island of Chiniga, the other village of Titlik, and the other would be over by Cordova. We have both Viac and Chugach there. 1964, when we had our earthquake, the island of Chiniga moved some 50 feet to the southwest, caused quite a lot of damage to the village, almost totaled it out. So the people from Chiniga ended up moving to a place called Evans Island. Where they built a place called New Chiniga, and that's not too far from the old village, but it was a much better, safer spot. Didn't have a major problem during the quake.
National Forest.
So now we have New Chiniga village of the
100 years ago, National Forest.
And again, this is
Check.
all Prince William Sound is part of Chugach National Forest. The Sound again, one of the largest in the world. It'll take you many days to really get a good look at the whole Sound.
As we're eating our lunch on board, we're cruising slow now.
Here, watch for your birds and stuff on your sides.
I don't know if we can see any bear
got an eagle ahead of us there that's kind of just catching the wind and enjoying it.
Oh, look at that eagle jumping there.
See one in the trees, I'll mention it.
Wait till we get up there.
When you get up a little further, looking to the left, you see a little bay. See a number of boats in there.
Okay, let's see it fly.
These guys put pilots both on and off the tankers and cruise ships that come into the area.
I can't see him.
I can see it.
I can't get him in
They
the
stay out here year-round servicing oil tankers, and then in the summer all the cruise ships that come into South Central Alaska have to pick up pilots here in Pickering.
Oh, look at him.
And then they'll put 2 pilots on.
There we go.
Those of you who have been on the cruise ships know about the pilots. But anyway, this is all the boats coming up here now on the left. And then there's also Bald Eagle sits out here pretty right on the point on the south bow on the left. You can see them right up there high.
Oh yeah.